Right now on the DIY Gourmet, we're going to make a special sauce from the leftover oils and grease of a patty cooked in a cast iron skillet. Now this can be a regular pan too, so don't worry, it's not that particular. But what you're going to do is put your butter in, melt it with the rest of the juices so it kind of picks them up from the pan. Throw the equal amount of flour in there. You know, if you have 4 ounces of flour, you have to have 4 ounces of oil. It can be oil from butter, it can be oil from the fat of the meat, and you mix them together and get them all nice and incorporated. Then you're going to let them cook for a little while without burning. Now that could be 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 7 minutes, depending on how dark you want the gravy to be. And those are known as blanc, blonde, and brune, the 3 stages: white, blonde, and brown, depending on how dark you want it to be, and they have distinct flavor profiles for the different 3. And for this particular gravy with the burger juice, you're going to want to do it closer to 7 minutes because this is going to be a brown or brune gravy to match with the burger, which is going to bring it to the total cook time of about 11 minutes. That's 7 minutes with the preparation of the roux, and then 4 minutes for the rest of the cook time once you add in a little bit of extra stock and perhaps a little bit of cream, milk, or lecithin of preference, depending on which you prefer. And then you mix that in, add a little bit of nutritional yeast for the final liaison along with the lecithin, milk, or cream, and then salt and pepper to taste, and you've just about got it. From there you can cool and pack it or keep it hot and serve it. Do it yourself gourmet. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if it helped. We'll see you next time, and hey, maybe consider joining as a member as well. Thanks again.